Okay, I was just on the VIP patio for the expo where you can chill out, have a nice time, enjoy the beautiful sunshine on the covered patio right here at Canada's largest Biohacking and Wellness Expo, Longevity Summit Canada. I'm on the second floor right now, and this is where the keynote speakers are going to be presenting all of their wealth of knowledge and education in front of over 400 individuals, 400 seats right here, and you can sit right here front row and watch some of the world's best in longevity, wellness, biohacking, functional medicine, all sorts of educational tools and modalities that you can use, that you can learn to incorporate into your lifestyle. Whether you are a health practitioner, a professional, a health enthusiast, or maybe you're just starting out. Maybe you don't even know what biohacking is and you want to come and you want to learn. Well, here you're going to surround yourself with incredible like-minded people, a community full of individuals that really want to move the needle forward, get healthier, get happier, or if you're looking to optimize, this is the place that you definitely want to be. Canada's largest Biohacking and Wellness Expo, Longevity Summit Canada, August 9th, 10th, and 11th, and we are just days away. All that you need to do is get yourself a ticket, and we'll see you soon at the expo.